in so many ways, in so many patterns, in so many methods. One of the biggest charismatic organization here in the Philippines called El Shaddai, their leader has a breakthrough many years ago inside the jail. When he was at the lowest point of his life, he has a breakthrough. Most of the big leaders of influential organizations, their top leaders, went so much breakthroughs before they were able to create a huge organization. Now for business, sa negosyo po natin, kailangan din ng breakthroughs as a leader. Do you agree with me? For some other people, they're saying, Doc, bakit ang hirap mag-create ng malaking grupo? Bakit minsan nakaka-create na ako ng leaders or ng grupo, after some time, nawawala? Pamilyar po ba? After some time, dumadami naman, kaya lang may nalalagas. After some time, nagkakaroon ng konting momentum, tapos medyo naglalaylo. Pamilyar o pamilyar? For some other people, for some other leaders, they experience yan. And what you need basically are series and series of breakthroughs so that you can have momentum in your organization. I would like to share to you on the next slide a story about the 4-minute mile. The 4-minute mile, many decades ago, used to be a legend. What do I mean by 4-minute mile? 1 mile is equal to 1,609 meters. For so many decades, the experts, the doctors, the sports doctors, they're saying, you cannot run a mile under 1 minute because your heart cannot accomplish that particular task. Some health authorities are saying, don't do it. It's dangerous. It's impossible. Your heart will explode if you try to do it. So for so many years in that particular decade, 1920s to 1950s, nobody has attempted to run and finish the race of 1 mile under 1 minute. And many athletes were saying it's impossible. The health authorities are saying it cannot be achieved. Until May 6, 1954, a person, an athlete named Roger Bannister, he has undergone series and series of trainings and series of breakthroughs, and on that particular momentous day, he was able to break the 4-minute mile, running it under 1 minute. And on that same year, another person was able to break the record, and the years that has passed by, hundreds if not thousands of runners have also broken the record. Nowadays, running 1 mile or 1,609 meters under 1 minute is just a normal thing to do for runners in high school here in the Philippines and in the US. So can you imagine for 30 to 40 years, there was this notion that a certain feat cannot be achieved because our bodies are not created to break that particular feat. But when one person, everybody say one person, when one person was able to achieve it, a lot of people have followed that task. A lot of people have achieved and succeeded in performing that feat or that task. What does it mean for us? Guys, many years ago, 11 years ago when we started this company, a lot of people were saying, hindi raw tayo magtatagal. Narinig niyo po ba yun? A lot of people are saying, sino ba yung mga may-ari? They're not even professional businessmen to run a corporation. Many have doubted us. Hundreds to thousands of people have doubted us. But look at us today. Next slide. Look at us today. What are the achievements of the company for the past 10 years? Just to summarize this. Okay, briefly, next. Number 1. What are the achievements of the company? local and international expansion. We have company-owned branches here in the Philippines and BCOs nationwide. We have company-owned branches in Cebu, in Davao, in Jensan, in Baguio, in Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija, in Calao, in Las Piñas. And we're coming up with more branches this coming year, like the one in Iloilo. It's going to be company-owned branch. We have around 130 BCOs nationwide. Nakakatulong po ba sa inyo ang presence natin nationwide? Yes. We have offices in other countries, Taiwan, Singapore, Brunei, Kuwait, UAE, in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, in Nigeria, in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Ibadan, Onitsha, and Kanu, in Ghana, in Togo, in Kenya, in Uganda, and this past few days and weeks, we just opened 4 countries. Everybody say 4. We just opened Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Ivory Coast, and Cameroon. Nakakatulong po ba yung international expansion sa inyo? Both online and offline marketing. Your network have expanded in so many countries. Do you agree with me? Yes. There are even groups in our company that are focused in developing organization in Africa. Am I right? Nakafocus sila online marketing for India. Nakafocus sila online marketing for Africa, for Uganda, for Kenya. Okay, and I'd like to give you this tip. Build on Cameroon and Ivory Coast. But these 2 countries are French-speaking country. So make sure when you chat, dapat may translation. Translate into French or translate into English. Para pag chinat kayo in French, alam nyo kaagad kung paano sumagot. Are you learning? Okay? What else? Next. Launch of innovative product lines. We have launched from food supplement to healthy beverages to cosmeceuticals to online products like our AIM World, the Cureleaf, the iProtect Home, and iProtect 24/7. We've launched these divisions to specifically market people on other parts of the world na wala tayong office like US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the whole of Europe. And the network, okay, as we grow, maximizes its potential. What else? What else are the achievements of the company? Creation of 3 million distributors worldwide. Are you proud of this? That from the Philippines, we grow over a decade for 3 million. Okay, not only in the Philippines, not only in Asia, not only in the Middle East, but in Africa as well. So in these 3 continents, we're growing so fast. Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Because of these 3 million distributors worldwide, next, we also created millionaires and multi-millionaires. Kasama ka ba dyan? Yung gusto sumama sa millionaires, nasa kamay. Of course. And the goal is for each and every one of us, one day, to become a Millionaires Club member. Kasama ka ba next year? Okay, and it's our goal to empower you with skills, with knowledge on how to have a breakthrough in your life so that one day you can achieve the goals that you've set, you can achieve the dreams that you've set for the past few months, for the past few years. And that is our goal, to mentor you. That's why we have this team, the board of directors, the vice president, the marketing team, your uplines, to support and mentor your group towards your goal. Next. We also achieve a lot of awards and recognitions, not only from local, but international bodies. Next. And also the the erection of our AIM Beverage Manufacturing Facility in Guiguito, Bulacan. As of we speak today, it's around 90 to 95% finished. Excited ka ba mag-tour sa AIM Beverage Manufacturing Facility? We will come up with a promo. Pag nahit mo yan, meron kang free tour. So may kita mo kung paano ginagawa yung mga beverages natin. Okay, it's a beautiful state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, and we're also coming up with our headquarters in Bulacan. because it's a 4,000 square meter facility along with their office. Next. The next 10 years. Everybody say next 10 years. Do you want to know what will happen within the next 10 years? For some other people, when they hear the next 10 years, parang matagal yata yan ah. Parang mahaba yata yan. Parang excited lang ako next year. Pero pag next 10 years, parang masyado yatang matagal, nakakainip. Guys, as a leader, you should not only think of what will happen to your group next month, or next 2 months, or next 3 months. You should always think of what will happen to your organization in years to come. Everybody say years. Years. Long term. Visual. You envision what will happen to yourself or what will happen to your group within the coming years. Ask me why. Why? Kapag ikaw nangarap ka ng kotse, hindi naman pwedeng bukas meron na. Tama o tama? Pag nangarap ka ng house and lot, hindi naman pwedeng next month, ayan na. Am I right? Yes. For our top leaders, it took them years, 5, 6, 7 years to build their mansion. Okay lang ba it will take you 5, 6 years pero mansion naman ang itatayo mo? Yes. You plan for that for years. So if your goal is to create a mansion, you should also want to know saan ba papunta yung company in years to come. With other companies, you ask them, within the next 10 years, ano ba ang plan ng company? Pag sinabing wala, ganyan lang. Mahirap magplano. Teka, kung ganyan lang, baka mamaya, kotse lang maplano ko. Baka pag ganyan, baka mamaya, pambayad lang ng utang ang plano ko. Pero kung mahaba yung mararating na company, I can plan for so many things. Dream of bigger dreams because the company is growing strong. Because the company is moving forward. Because the company has a lot of dreams as well to accomplish with each and every one of you. Next. Now our goal is to have 3 B's. Bigger, better, bolder. Everybody say bigger. Bigger. Everybody say better. Better. Everybody say bolder. Ano pong ibig ko sabihin? Kung mangangarap ka na rin lang ng bahay, huwag lang yung studio type. Do you agree with me? Yes. Ano yung studio type? Yung 30 square meters na pagpasok mo, may konting sala, may dining room, tapos may kwarto na. Yung tipong pag nagulas ka, from sala to CR, nandun na kagad. Kung mangangarap ka na rin ng bahay, okay ba may swimming pool? Yes. Kung mangangarap ka ng bahay, okay ba may konting garden? Yes. Kung mangangarap ka rin ng bahay, okay ba may parking? Yes. At yung parking, pang-isa pang dalawa? Ang dalawa. Bakit? Para pag-coding, meron ka pang isa. Tama. That's why our goal should be bigger. Our goal should be better. Everybody say better. When I say better, better kung ano ka ngayon. Better kung ano meron ka ngayon. Kung meron kang bahay ngayon, pero maliit, you think of something bigger or nicer. Kung meron kang sasakyan ngayon, pero karag-karag, yung tipong isang kalawang na lang ginaandag. Mangarap ka ng brand new. Am I right? Kung may kotse ka ng brand new ngayon, okay bang mangarap ka ng isang sasakyan? Add more para may pang-coating. Bolder. Everybody say bolder.